morning, world of Salad Master. This is Yomar Cabizon of AC TriStar Toronto, introducing to you our beautiful, spanking electric tea kettle. Yan. So, I'm gonna boil my water using my electric tea kettle. Let's see how many minutes to boil water using the electric tea kettle. So, let's set a time. The Rolex time is 8:22. So I pour water inside, put on the socket, and tick let's put it on. Time starts now. It's 8:23. Okay? So let's time it. This is a brand new Salad Master item. Before we have the stovetop whistling tea kettle. Now, introducing to you, it's now electrical. It's electric tea kettle, Salad Master. So let's wait for the time, how many minutes to boil water using electric tea kettle. We started with 8:23. Okay, Rolex time is 8:23. Here we go. Can you hear it? It's starting to shimmer. And 1 minute pass, kettle. Yan. Here we go. So can you hear it? Started to shimmer. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Introducing to you a Salad Master electric tea kettle. 2 minutes has passed. Minutes. 3 minutes. sound shuts off automatically. It's 8:28. 7:28, 8:28. Look at that. So we started 8:23 and we're done with 8:28. 5 minutes. It's a 5 minutes. You can now boil your hot water using our electric tea kettle.